out there? Zach your own Bats here, and welcome back to another food review on my channel. And today we're doing Dairy Queen's 2025 spring menu. And to get more of that, here is Matt March.
Dairy Queen Spring Menu 2025. Cookie Crunch Dipped Cone. Tastes like vanilla soft serve with a thin cookies and cream outer layer. 8. Orange Cream Shake. Creamy and bursting with citrusy orange flavor. 10. Mint Oreo Blizzard. Albeit lacking in color, this one is perfectly minty and loaded with Oreo crunch and flavor. 10.
Oh, Matt, thank you for that report. Overall, I would give this one a 9.3 out of 10. Well, that's the end of our video. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more. And you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell and like us on social media. Until next time, thanks for watching, and make sure to have yourself a good one and stay safe.